Kids, welcome to second standard English grammar class. Today I come with lesson number 28. Lesson name is affirmative and negative answers. Today I am going to take revision of this lesson with the help of grammar workbook. Okay, look at the given sentence. Is this your school bag? क्या यह आपका स्कूल बैग है? तो when we will say yes, it is my, then it is called as a affirmative answer. Means when our answer will be in yes, then it is called a affirmative sentence. And if we will say no, it is not my, then the given answer will be called as negative answer. जब हमारा आंसर हाँ में होगा, यस में होगा, तो हम उसे एफर्मेटिव आंसर कहेंगे, और जब हमारा आंसर ना में होगा, नहीं में होगा, तब हम उसे निगेटिव आंसर कहेंगे. When our answer will be in yes, then it is called affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence or affirmative answer. Or when our answer will be in no, then it is called negative answer. So understood? So with the help of workbook, I explain the lesson. After all explanation, I will give you worksheet related with this. What you have to do, आपको क्या करना है? You just copy down all worksheet in your notebook and solve on the basis of my explanation. मैं जो explanation आपको revise कर रही हूँ, memorize कर रही हूँ, उसके आधार पर on the basis of that you have to solve the given worksheet. Okay? Hi kids, with now I am going to explain this lesson also, means the preposition, means I am going to take revision of this lesson also. Preposition. What is preposition? We memorize. Once again we memorize the definition of preposition. Look at the given sentence. There is a bridge across the river. रिवर के ऊपर क्या है? ब्रिज है. Birds fly in the sky. The cow is grazing on the grass. A man is standing near the tree. The colored words are preposition. Preposition are the words. Those tell us the relation of a noun or a pronoun with the another word in the sentence. सेंटेंस में प्रीपोजिशन ऐसे वर्ड है जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन का रिलेशन दूसरे वर्ड के साथ बताते हैं. लुक एट फर्स्ट गिवन सेंटेंस वंस अगेन. देयर इज ए ब्रिज अक्रॉस द रिवर. सो अक्रॉस टेल द रिलेशन बिटवीन ब्रिज एंड रिवर. अक्रॉस से हमें ब्रिज और रिवर का रिलेशन पता चल रहा है कि ब्रिज कहाँ है. वेयर इज ब्रिज? ब्रिज अक्रॉस द रिवर. रिवर के ऊपर ब्रिज है. बर्ड्स फ्लाई इन द स्काई. वेयर बर्ड्स फ्लाई? इन द स्काई. सो इन in टेल अस द रिलेशन बिटवीन बर्ड्स एंड द स्काई. थर्ड नंबर. द काउ इज ग्रेजिंग ऑन द ग्रास. on tell us the relation between cow and grass. Okay. Man is standing near the tree. Near, near, near tell us the relation between man and tree. नियर से हमें मैन और ट्री का रिलेशन पता चल रहा है. सो द अक्रॉस, इन, ऑन, नियर, these are the words those who tell us the relation between the noun with the another word. Okay, so these are the preposition. And one more thing that we have to remember, that preposition always comes before the noun. प्रीपोजिशन हमेशा नाउन के पहले आता है. ओके, look at this lesson also. Means now I am going to explain pronoun also. Okay, first we discuss the given sentence. My name is David. I am a good boy. मेरा नाम डेविड है, मैं एक अच्छा लड़का हूँ. So I comes instead of David. Okay, next sentence. This is Anna. She is my sister. वह अना है, वह मेरी बहन है. तो सी किसके लिए आया है? सी comes for Anna. So she is a pronoun and I is also a pronoun. Okay, why I and she are pronoun? Because I and she both comes in the place of a noun. It is used to replace the noun. Okay, so by overall explanation we come to know that now pronoun is a word we use instead of और in place of a noun. pronoun वो word है जिनका यूज हम noun के जगह पर करते हैं. Look at the remaining sentence. This is our house. It is small and comfortable. क्या comfortable है और क्या small है? House. So it comes in place of house. So it is a pronoun. Okay. Now by this video I explained 3 topics, and now with the help of worksheet I am going to give you some question answer that you have to solve in your notebook. Okay.